South Korean auto giant Hyundai Motors' Indian arm is one step closer to launching its proposed IPO worth $3 billion. With the SEBI giving the go-ahead for the mega issue, the IPO will be a complete offer for sale by the parent company. Srishti joins in with more details on that. Srishti, the competition of course intensifies.
Well, certainly the competition seems to be intensifying in the passenger vehicle space as in the latest Hyundai Motors has got the SEBI's nod for the IPO as per reports, and this is going to be really interesting because this is expected to be one of the biggest IPOs for Indian markets, with the size expected to be at 25,000 crores as per report. And they also highlight that this particular IPO is coming in at a valuation of $22 to $28 billion. Along with that, as we know that as per DRH, this will be a completely offer for sale, where the parent Hyundai Motor Company will sell around 14.2 crores of equity share. That's approximately 17.5% of their equity share capital in this particular IPO. As we know that Hyundai Motor India is the second largest in terms of the market share for Indian markets after Maruti Suzuki, and they have been really aggressive in the recent while in terms of the launches as well. But when we do the peer comparison as per the passenger vehicle market share as well as the valuation that is expected to be from 1.8 to 2.3 lakh crores, and comparing it with the likes of Maruti Suzuki as well as M&M, we do understand that there is indeed a valuation gap of around 12%. That is headroom available for Maruti Suzuki, while for M&M, given the kind of run up that the stock is very near to its all-time high, there doesn't suggest that as per the forward valuation and doing the analysis on EV by EBITDA multiple for FY26, we don't see that there is much headroom in terms of the valuation gap when comparing it with M&M. But yes, there is some valuation gap with respect to Maruti Suzuki. But when this IPO comes, that will be really interesting one, because after 2 decades we are going to see an auto major coming out with such a big size IPO, and all eyes on that.
Well, absolutely, Srishti, all eyes on that mega IPO, and we're all gearing up for it. But moving on then, MCA.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.